is celebrated July 1st every year all across India. Here, I would like to wish and thank all our doctors who are frontline warriors in this pandemic situation. On this special day, I would like to tell about first aid box importance and usage. First aid is initial treatment given to a victim. Without an initial medical treatment, a mild injury might turn into a serious one. So, first aid is must and we should keep first aid box in our schools and homes. Let's see what is inside the first aid box. This is thermometer. Helps to check body temperature during fever. These are paracetamol tablets. These are used to reduce fever. These are steam inhalation capsules used to get relief from cold. This is skin ointment. It is used for cuts, wounds, burns, etc. Next, this is Vicks Vapor Rub. These are band-aids. This is surgical spirit. It is used to clean the wounded skin surface. This is paracetamol syrup. It is used for fever. This is syrup of citrizine, used for cold. This is sterilized cotton, used to clean the wounded surface. This is gauze bandage. It is used for dressing wounds.